Hi, I'm at the Rawai Beach here, so waiting for the boat owner or captain over there. He's gonna bring the boat in. We go on a boat ride. Uh, I was walking along here, and they have give me a really good price here. So some of the people they give you like 3,000 baht. He give me for 1,500 baht. So we're gonna go on the ride now. So he's gonna bring the boat in, and then we're gonna board a boat. And then we go on a boat ride. So this is Rawai Beach right here. Over there is Rawai Pier, and past that will be Rawai Fishing Village over there. And they have the Rawai Seafood Market right after that. And then they have the Chalong Pier, Chalong Bay on the left over there. Along is all the islands here. So look like he grabbing the gas for the long tail boat right there. So it's a whole family business here. So they all along here. You need to ride. They all sitting around here. So what you need to do is just walk along here and just ask for different price. And then whoever gives you the best price, you will take it. My hotel is over there by Rawai Palm Beach Resort that way. So you need a ride or you need a boat ride, just come walk along this road here. They have different boat owners here. So and they have all kind of boats. So you just ask for different prices along. And whoever give you the best price, you take it, you know. The other guy over there make me pay for 3,000 baht. And this guy, he's giving good price for 1,500 baht. So look like he's pulling the boats in right now. So we go board and then go some of the islands here. Look like they have Bon Island, Coral Island, Ratcha Island, Ratchanoi Island, Phi Island, and Khai Island. But we only go the one near here. Phi Island is on the other side, so we go aboard a boat right now. So we're gonna on a boat right now. Let me shut this thing off. Alright, we are ready to leave Rawai Beach right here. We are renting a boat, so they just go around the island. So along here is the whole fishing village right here. So we got boats everywhere. So we got the boat captain over there. We're gonna start the engine. The long tail boat, long tail engine.